Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Trickers World. Today we are going to talk to you about the best true wireless earbuds that you can purchase during the Flipkart Big Diwali Sale 2020. So if you are looking to purchase some of the best fashion, electronic gadgets and home appliances, then this is the right time because Flipkart Big Diwali Sale has started today and you can get some of the best offers, deals and discounts on this sale. Here in this video, we are going to talk about the best offers and discounts that you can get on true wireless earbuds online. But before that, let us check out the benefits of earbuds. Earbuds are really amazing, and without the wires that tangle frequently, you can really enjoy whatever you are listening to, be it music, podcasts, audios or any other videos. Earbuds are really great and have some of the top of the line features that are great and brilliant. So the first product on our list is Flipkart Smart by Airbase. It works on 8mm dynamic drivers. The earbuds have a very comfortable design and are lightweight. It uses Bluetooth version 5 which provides great connectivity, and the earbuds are IPX4 rated, which means that it is sweat proof. The price of this earbuds is Rs 899. Next we have Duopods M20. It is IPX4 rated earbuds which makes it resistant to sweat and water splashes. The earbuds are equipped with monopod capacity that allows them to be used individually and together as per your choice. It has a powerful bass that makes the audio experience even better. The earbuds are lightweight and are designed for comfort. The price of this earpod is Rs 1999. Now let us look at Realme Buds Q. They have a very premium appearance with a fantastic texture and cobble-like design. The earbuds are very lightweight and easy to hold. The total playback time of the earbuds is around 20 hours. It has a super latency gaming mode which allows you to improve sync between the device and the earbuds for a better gaming experience. The price of this earbud is Rs 1999. Next up we look at JBL C100 TWS earbuds. It has an amazing sound quality which is the biggest benefit of this brand. These earbuds have a long runtime and can run up to 17 hours. It has enhanced wireless range and connectivity due to the presence of Bluetooth 5.0. The earbuds have auto sync capabilities, which means that the left earbud will sync automatically once the right one is synced with the device. The price of this earbud is Rs 3919. Last but not least, let us look at Oppo Encode W11 earbuds. These are dust and water resistant. The earbuds offer 20 hours of playback time. These are powered with noise cancellation features that give you a great audio experience. It has 8mm drivers that deliver powerful bass and clear audio. The price of this earbud is Rs 1999. So this was all about the best earbuds that you can purchase during the Flipkart Big Diwali Sale 2020. But that is not it. If you have a credit or debit card from Axis Bank, Citibank, ICICI Bank or Kotak Mahindra Bank, then you are in luck, as the Big Diwali Sale gives you discounts of up to 10% instantly on select purchases that you make online. So if you are looking to purchase anything online during the Flipkart Big Diwali Sale, then you can make use of these bank offers. So this was all in today's video about the best true wireless earbuds that you can purchase during the Flipkart Big Diwali Sale 2020. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel Trickers World to catch more videos on new topics. We'll be back very soon. Till then, goodbye.